In a global economy that never sleeps, cross-border payments can still take days. What if settlement could happen in seconds? What does it take to build a compliant cross-border network that can move millions seamlessly? Here is an end-to-end settlement flow where automated compliance and multi-party security act as the foundation for real-time global trade. An existing customer initiates a cross-border transfer. The bank settles the transaction instantly using stablecoins, moving funds under institutional-grade governance for digital assets. The first step is the on-ramp using local partners. Local fiat currency is converted into stablecoins, transforming fiat into virtual assets like USDT, USDC. Once the on-ramping is done, these stablecoins are sent to a liminal hot wallet. Every transaction is screened in real time against global compliance standards like AML, FATF, ensuring institutional-grade trust. Once the compliance checks are complete, the assets are credited and are ready to be used. With the Stable Swap feature, businesses have the option to swap stablecoins into locally denominated stablecoins or across chains. With funds secured, the sender's bank initiates the transfer to the receiver's bank crypto wallet. All outgoing transactions go via a firewall to check for compliance risk. Safety is double-layered. Post-MPC approval and a final firewall check on the beneficiary's address, the transaction is authorized and broadcast to the network. The local bank receives stablecoins in its wallet, converts them to local currency using their local banking or fintech partners, and credits the recipient's account. This is instant finality. What once took days now settles in seconds with full transparency and control. From start to finish, the process is fast, cost-effective, transparent, compliant, always on 24/7 and fully auditable. This is how Liminal helps financial institutions execute the future of B2B cross-border payments.